These covers are so dirty. They are actually very beautiful covers, but look at this. You know, the kids have been home for a whole week now. I am watching them, babysitting them for their teachers, but they are not in school. Winter break is not even close, unfinished, but I'm happy they're home anyway. But they treat these chairs like they were nothing. That's crazy. Yeah, but they've been spending hours painting this thing, which is nice. Even me, I'm doing one right here, so it's pretty fun. Everywhere. Wow. Let's go ahead and take them off and then throw them in the wash. Hopefully they comes out looking brand new. I am just looking for stands. Right here there's a little blue stand, so I will be using this thing I got from Costco. It comes with 3 bottles. Just spray that up. This is the first time I'm using this, so I don't even know if it works or not, because I usually just dump these in the washer and they always come out looking nice. So hopefully I don't mess them up with this thing I'm using.
How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you.
Look how messy that is. Yep, my chair now is a storage. Got clothes all over the floor, pillows all over the floor. Gotta make the bed. I'm gonna take this out and wash it before anything. The duvet cover, the pillow covers, gotta take everything out and wash them. Okay, do not judge me. All 4 of us use this bathroom except for my sons, okay? So don't judge me. This is my bathroom. Look how crazy it looked. Look at the counter. The counter is a disaster. The sinks are disgusting. All over the floor. All over the floor. And my dresser right here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So nasty. Let's go ahead and throw all these dirty laundry in the wash.
Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you. that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away.
This is just my rugs in my bedroom. That is crazy. So much nonsense. I cannot wait to do the rest of the rugs to see how this thing gonna be looking like. Okay, the bedroom is all done. It looks so nice. Oh, it feels so fresh in here now. Everything dusted out. The TV is clean. I put new sheets, new pillow covers. Everything is so clean and I love it. Also, the bathroom is all done and clean. Everything is so fresh, disinfected. Yeah, I put new floor mat. I washed them. New fresh towels and washcloth, and my dresser is clean. Toilet is clean, shower is clean, no more stuff on my sink. Yeah, everything is just perfect in this room. It's gonna be so nice to sleep tonight. Love it, love it. So now let's tackle this mess right here. The living room is a disaster. These are all trash that was in here that I was cleaning and decluttered.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? Was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you.
We are done with the living room. Now I am just scrubbing those counter stools. They were so dirty and nasty. I used the stain remover things and it works perfectly. All the kids are home for a few weeks now. It's winter break and they just turned this house upside down, which is fine. I started the dishwasher last night because there was way too much dirty dishes. So I had no choice because, you know, when kids are home, they want to eat every second. And this is just crazy. Right now, I'm going to try to finish the kitchen and then we're going to keep moving to the other rooms.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to
done with the dining room. It looks so clean now. The table had so much paint on top of it, so I had to ask the kids for help, but they did help pretty nice. Yeah, that was it for the dining room. Now I'm gonna tackle the formal living room, which wasn't too bad, but I was in there for the last few days because it was cold outside and I was really enjoying sitting in there. So that's why it needed a good dust out and clean. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did in there. And I also did vacuum, guys. And that's the last room I did in this video because it was getting so dark out and I was tired because I started cleaning since 7 in the morning, so I needed a break. I did not do the kids' bedrooms or their bathroom. I will do that in a different videos. So yeah, done with the formal. Now all I'm gonna do is the entryway so I can just go rest. I swept, I mop, and then that was it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe and like for more. And I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye.
Slipping through